Hey there, it's Matt Miller with ERA Real Estate and 904rents.com. Coming to you today with our quick tip of the day. Clean your house. Cleaning your house, it may sound like something that's so obvious. Um, Believe it or not, whether it comes to rental listings or sale listings, you'd be shocked at the amount of people who just don't clean their property when they're showing it to new tenants or new buyers. Both sides of it. Especially when it comes to rentals, I've gotten comments in some of my rentals before when I pay to have it cleaned. I use a couple of our professional services here in Jacksonville. People come in, they're like, "Oh my gosh, it's so clean. Thank you. Can I rent your property?" And it's kind of shocking to hear that because you think cleaning your property is so simple, but it's not. A lot of people don't clean it. I recommend go ahead and have it hired done. So it's got a fresh smell. It will rent your property faster. You'll get quality tenants who really appreciate the cleanliness. And if they appreciate the cleanliness when seeing the property, chances are they will keep it clean when they're there. So that's my recommendation: is have it cleaned, pay $300, have it done top to bottom, and you're going to get better tenants and people who will take care of the property. If you want to do it yourself, I attached an article really quickly here that gives you a bunch of things to look at to make sure that you do clean the property the way it needs to be done. Like I said, my recommendation, still pay to get it done, but if you want to, this article may help. So other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Take care.